If you've been watching the channel, you know I'm a huge fan of Google's NotebookLM. It's hands down the best tool for taking a massive pile of documents like PDFs, Google Docs, slides, and more, and turning them into something you can actually understand. But up until now, NotebookLM has had a major weakness. It's been trapped on a lonely island. It's brilliant at knowing your data, but knows absolutely nothing about the outside world, current events, or even the live web. Well, Google just quietly changed everything with a single update. They've built a bridge. You can now access your private notebooks directly inside the main Gemini interface. And this isn't just a UI tweak. It fundamentally changes the workflow of how you move from researching to actually creating. Today, I'm going to show you how to use it, and more importantly, why this hybrid approach is more powerful than using the tool by itself. Hi, I'm Jamie, and welcome to Teachers Tech. First off, the setup is incredibly simple. The only prerequisite that you need already is to have at least one notebook created over at notebooklm.google.com. Once you have that, head over to the standard Gemini interface, either on the web or the app. Look down at the chat bar containing the plus icon used for uploading images. When you click that, you'll see the new addition to the family, NotebookLM. This feature is rolling out right now to the web version of Gemini. It's available to both free and paid users, though paid users will get higher limits on how much they can analyze. Clicking that opens a list of notebooks you've previously created. You just select the one relevant to your current task. Let's grab the project specs notebook here, and it attaches to the chat just like a PDF or an image would. And that's it. You're connected. So why does this matter? Why not just stay in the old NotebookLM app? Because of hybrid queries. This is the killer feature. When you use NotebookLM on its own, it's grounded. It will refuse to answer questions outside of your documents. When you use Gemini on its own, it's open. It knows the web, but it doesn't know your private project specs. Now you have both at the same time. Let me show you an example. I've attached a notebook here containing some very dry internal company product guidelines. If I were the old app, I could ask it to summarize those guidelines, but here in Gemini, I can type this. Based on the product constraints outlined in this attached notebook, search the web for 3 competitor products released in the last 6 months that we need to be worried about. Let's go ahead and send that. Look at that. It's using my private data as a filter for the live internet. The standalone NotebookLM app simply can't do that. You're leveraging Gemini's superior creative models and its connection to Google search while keeping it anchored in your specific facts. There's another massive workflow benefit here: persistence. If you use NotebookLM frequently, you know the frustration. The chat history there is okay, but it's really designed for single session deep dives. It's easy to lose track of a great conversation thread. By moving this conversation into Gemini, this chat thread now lives forever in your recent history sidebar right here on the left. You can start analyzing your documents on Monday, get distracted, and pick up the exact same conversation thread on Friday without missing a beat. It turns your research into an ongoing project rather than a one-time session. So should you delete your bookmark for the standalone NotebookLM app? No, absolutely not. The standalone app is still king for deep studying. If you want those incredible audio overviews, the AI podcast, you still need to go to the original app. They aren't available in the Gemini integration yet. Also, the original app is much better showing you specific citations, and I really like that, exactly where the PDF is found in the answer. Think of it this way. Use the standalone app when you're inputting information into your brain, like when you're studying. Use the Gemini integration when you're outputting, when you need to write emails, create content, or strategize based on what you've learned. It effectively turns your NotebookLM from a separate app into a personalized plugin for your main AI assistant. Try attaching one of your old notebooks to Gemini today and ask it to connect your notes to something brand new on the web. Let me know in the comments what kind of workflows you discover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.